2 weeks ago, I received this box from DJI, and they asked me to create something with smartphone by using the Osmo mobile phone. So I opened it, and in 3 seconds, I was ready to shoot with it. Wow, that was awesome. Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we will see how to shoot cinematic videos with your smartphone. And before that, we have to talk about content creation. Wow, just amazing. Look how it's amazing. Yeah, this is the first location. Actually, I really like this place. So, to create content, you need to start with an idea. And honestly, you don't have to be professional to make beautiful videos. All what you need is your smartphone, a gimbal, and learn some skills. In this video, we will use the DJI Osmo Mobile 4, and I will show you how to take your video to the next level. This mobile gimbal is really useful and so easy to set up with phone. You just have to put the magnetic clamp on your phone, attach it to the gimbal, and boom, you are ready to go. And one more thing, you have to install the DJI Memo app on your phone. That will give you the full control of your camera setting. The zoom, ISO, shutter speed, and a lot of options, which is so cool, because when you film with your phone without the app, you are not able to control all this setting. Now let's jump to the first location and see what we are able to do with this mobile gimbal. After we discussed the idea, the first scene was this, where you see our subject will run and I have to follow him smoothly. We repeated this for a couple times till we get the perfect shots. After that, we move to the next scene where our subject will do a big jump and I have to track his movement. And I was surprised. The active track worked perfect with this gimbal. You just select your subject with frame in it and press record. Okay, that's nice, that's cool, and let's move to the next location. The next scene was this, and here I use the follow mode. So the gimbal will follow my hand movement in a seamless way. And I just have to keep the subject in the frame. Well, that was a nice place for a first location. I like it so much. There is a lot of spots here where you can shoot and enjoy at the same time. And now, let's jump to the next location. Okay, I know you like this effect. This is the dynamic zoom in and out. And here you have like two options. You can go in and you can go out. So for the first option, you have to select zoom in and you will move forward. Then you will get this look. For the second option, you will select zoom out and you have to move back.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Then you will get this look. Guys, we are in the second location, and the reason I choose this place is to show you how to make the rotation effect or the spin effect. And I think this place is the perfect place for this. Like you see, there is some kind of design, spinning, I think, something like that.
So yeah, I'm just waiting for my friend. He's coming right now.
وجا ومشى اجي ما احتل
حبيبي
خويا راك لايك For this effect you have to select video option, then press screenshot. And now center your subject in the frame, and with the joystick you can slide left or right to get this rotation effect. Hope you guys enjoyed. That was our video for today. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button below. See you guys in the next one, and follow me on Instagram. I post some great videos and BTS there. Peace.